In this video of Back to Basics, I will be going over not only style, but one of many different ways to take notes. The title of your notes should be to emphasize what your notes are about. Whether top, bottom, or middle, your title should be big. If you want to go to the extra mile, you can circle or underline your title. Just go to make sure it really stands out. If a teacher takes the time to go to the whiteboard, blackboard, or smartboard, pick up a writing utensil, and write a word, phrase, or equation, it's more than likely important. Write it down, or you could bubble or underline it. It shows its importance. Color is key. Whether you are underlining, bubbling, or both, you know something is important when your eyes are drawn to a splash of color. After your title is in place and your teacher is talking, writing, or showing some video or another, you'll be taking notes. Start with your vocab words on the left to tell they are the main subject of what you're currently on. You can box, underline, or just highlight the word. Try to leave definition and facts to the right of the word, so later, if you need, you can go back and add to the topic. You'll have the space to do this. If something in your notes is super important, feel free to bubble, box, or underline whatever. Here's a quick example. Now, even though it does not follow the exact form of the style I had first showed you, the body is there. When taking notes, feel free to add your own style. In this case, I made a subsection in my notes and added an arrow to exaggerate my point. What you add in your notes, from doodles to the sidelines to nothing, is your choice. This form of note-taking may not be for you, or just the type of class you are in, but of course it is most definitely not the only style of notes out there. This is just one of them. Now, what was I talking about? In case you forgot or just weren't paying attention, this video went over one of many ways to take notes: format, bubbles, and making notes easier to understand after you finish them, 10 days later even.